How to check all downloaded apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Once you're on the main page, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. On the account screen, tap on Apps at the top. You can now view a complete history of all apps downloaded with your Apple ID. Scroll through this list to see apps currently on your device and those not installed. Also, you can update your installed app if needed. Alternatively, swipe left from your home screen until you reach the app library. Here, apps are automatically organized for you in various folders. Look for the recently added folder. Tapping on it will show all the applications you have recently downloaded to your device. You can also view the apps that are for productivity purposes in the Productivity folder. Following these steps, you can easily check all downloaded apps on an iPhone.